What's up guys, I'm here with the G80 and I'm about to install the front lip on this car. Well overdue. I got this like a while ago and I have yet to install it. Let me show you what it looks like right now before I install it. Again, so this is the before. Right, so for starters, that's gonna have to come off, right? This whole thing's have to come off, so I'm gonna have to go from that side of the fender and take out the two bolts that are holding it down, and pretty much I'm going to be using the factory bolts all around to install it. So it's a little dirty because I came back from the track, not to run it obviously, but to take pictures. If you follow me, my Instagram is like right here, but yeah, you can see that I went to the track and I took this car to the track and we had a blast out there, but I didn't run it. I went to go take photos. So anywho, yeah, so let's go ahead and get this car in frontwards to the garage so I can work in the garage. Let's do it.
Okay, so to get started, you want to remove the two 10mm bolts holding up the fender wall, and that will give you access to this 8mm bolt that was a struggle. I had to use a trim tool to separate the fenders so I can get to the 8mm bolt.
Alright, so now what I'm going to do is remove the rest of these, kind of leaving them close to where they belong. That way I don't lose them. I'm switching between the 8 and the 10 mil. For the most part, everything in the bottom should be a 10 mil. So use clips up top. These are all the bolts, right? So this will have to come off and go on the new one. Like that. And this will go right here. Damn, that looks good. I like to undo just the corners. While I get situated. Alright, something like that. Something like that. Facing this way, obviously. That way, I can easily exit the brick and I clean that because it looks really gross.
So I used some basic cleaner just to make sure that the 3M tip is stick. After that, I installed the 8mm that was a pain to get to. Again, not joking, you gotta split that fender wall. And once that's inputted or installed, not inputted, I installed all the hardware at the bottom. Put back the fender wall using 10mm. And repeat on the right hand side. Once that's done, the easiest part is the middle piece, which is honestly just reusing the factory OEM bolts, which are all 10 mils. Once that's done, I use painter's tape to basically lift up the front lip safely as the 3M rests for maybe 30 minutes so that we can get a good stick.
Alright guys, so that was it for the install. Right now I have some painter's tape holding on the bumper. Also the 3M tape, you just hold it securely, but that was pretty much it for the install. Pretty easy. The only hiccup was the 8mm bolt that was on each side of the fender that I had to pull apart and get to it. That was the only hiccup, but if you have some help, they can help you pull apart the fenders so you can get to the 8mm, you're golden. Besides that, pretty simple. I like the fact that all the bolts, OEM, just go snug into this bumper, so it gives me peace of mind that it's super secure. But anyways guys, thank you so much for watching. Here's some photos. Thank you so much guys, make sure you subscribe and I'll catch you next week.